Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to do a brief SEO audit of your site, just kind of showing you some search engine optimization tools you can use to start bringing more customers into your business. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So off the bat, I like the website. It's a nice design. I can tell it was definitely built in Snaps because I've used that program before, and it is very similar to one of their builds preset templates. However, that said, this is more for search engine optimization and not as much a focus on the design piece. So what you want to look at first is going to be the amount of content. You're doing pretty good here, and you might be meeting it. The minimum you want to have is 1,500 words. So in order to make sure, we click this right here. It's a tool I use called SEO Quake. You can get it for free. It's a plugin on the Google Chrome App Store. And we can see that you have 911 words. So you are about 500 words shy of that minimum. The reason you want to have 1,500 words is two reasons. One, Google wants to see 1,500 words. Their algorithm looks for that. So that's the first reason. It's kind of their minimum. The second reason is actually going to be because it allows you to put more keywords, which is my second point of interest. So keywords, what they are, is anything in this search bar. So as you can see, I typed in Fort Wayne, Indiana roofing. This whole 4-word thing is considered one keyword. So the way it works is organic listing is all of these, not these, but all of these websites down here. They're the organic listing. And you want to be at the top for the keywords because Google releases click rates every quarter, and it actually shows that 80% of people don't scroll past the first page when they're searching for something in the organic listing. So this is Angie's List, so we're not going to look at them, but let's look at this Honest Abe Roofing. This is their website, and specifically they're a national chain, but this is their specific Fort Wayne, Indiana location. So this is going to be like one of your top competitions right here. Now, I use a tool called Ahrefs, which again you can get. It's $250 a month. But what it does is it shows all the search engine stuff about your website. So I wanted to look at yours first. As we can see, there's your URL. You have 32 keywords, which isn't bad, but you're in the top 3 for 0, which is not good. And if we look at your competitor, they have 64 keywords on their Fort Wayne page, and they're being found for 9 of them in the top 3. So let's just look at their keywords real quick just to kind of get a little bit of an understanding on what that all means. So what they're being found for, an index for, the keywords are roofing Fort Wayne, Indiana, Fort Wayne roofing, Fort Wayne roofer, and so on and so forth. But what I want to bring your attention to is the volume. 600 searches a month, 600, 600, 600, 600, 250, 350. This is how many times this exact keyword phrase is searched for a month. So you got to imagine if you're not in the top page and you're not getting that traffic, then you're really missing out on a lot of possible customers. And you can see they're in the number 2 position, and this is the amount of clicks they're getting a month for that specific keyword. So it really does add up because that's the potential customers. Now the third thing we're going to talk about is how you get to the top page. I just told you that you want to be in the top because 80% of people won't go past that, or won't go any further than the top page. So how do we get there? That's going to be where your search engine optimization really matters. And how do we build the SEO? And that's going to be your offsite SEO. Backlinks and referring domains. So going back to yours, you have 12 backlinks with 9 referring domains and a domain rating of 0.8. Now your domain rating is basically the power of your website. And the higher that is, the higher Google will place you. And what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website. And when it does that, it transfers the power. So if site A is pointing to site B, then site B will get some of the power from site A. Now you want to make sure not only you have quantity of backlinks, but they've got to be high quality relevant sources. For example, as a roofing company, you would want backlinks from maybe shingle companies, metal roof companies, or roofing blogs. You wouldn't want some from Pizza Hut because they're not in the same business, so it wouldn't really help you. Now looking at theirs, they have 401 with 59 referring domains and a DR of 35. So really the more quality relevant sites you have pointed at you, the higher you are. It's kind of like a popularity contest in a way. So it's very important to make sure that you're doing this offsite SEO. And as you can see, it drives 799 traffic for them, and you're getting a 0. And you're getting a 0. So with the 0, you've really just got to, you can see the fruits of the labor that you could put in to your SEO. Now, in closing, we just discussed 3 things today. And like I said, this is just a scratch on the surface of what we do. But 1,500 words on the homepage. We discussed keywords and how you need to trickle those in so that you can be found for what you want to be found for. Lastly, we discussed the importance of offsite SEO via backlinking and referring domains. Now, if you start implementing these things I showed you today, there's no doubt you can climb in Google. But if you want to make it to the first page and stay in the first page, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.